Hi, I'm Tariq here, and I'm excited to release Dokan, a multi-vendor enabled theme for WooCommerce. Dokan is a theme that turns your WooCommerce powered site with multi-seller capability. In Dokan, a user can register as a seller or customer. A customer is a normal standard user with a customer role. On the other hand, a seller can sell products in your site. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm logging in with an admin account. So, every seller has their own dashboard in frontend. From here, they can see how many page views they have got from their products, how many orders they have got, and how much sales they have made. Also, the product sales overview for the current month and order, reviews, and product counts are shown here. Within the product page, they can see their products and can manage them. Sellers can add new products, delete or edit them. The product edit page has a pretty simple interface to edit the products. You can change the product name, price. If you want to give a discounted price, and also you can make this discount for a time period. This is a short description of your product. Select the category for this product. Also, you can change the product featured image. Here you can describe your product in details. If it's a downloadable product, you can add downloadable files from here. Also, add images to the image gallery for your product. Then there's options, inventory management, shipping. The shipping classes can be configured from WooCommerce shipping methods in the backend. If your product has attributes, you can add them here. If you want a variable pricing for this product, change the product type here. Then the variation tab will appear, and you can add variations from your given attributes. Lastly, update your product by clicking the big update button. All the orders for your products appears here. You can mark them complete, pending, processing, or whatever you want. The product for your order, shipping method, shipping and billing address, order notes can be found in this order details page. You can change the order status from here too. If you want to give discounts for your products, you can create discount coupons for individual products. As a seller, you get to see all your product sales report. The initial page gives you the current month's report. Sales by Day tab offers you to see the report from a custom range. Top Sellers page gives you the idea of your top selling products. Top Earner page shows the products are selling the best. Manage your product reviews, quickly edit them, delete or mark them as spam. Take control over the reviews for your products. Now that you have made the sales, you need to withdraw your balance. For this, you need to send a withdraw request, and the site admin will verify your request, approve them, and will send the money to your desired method. From the settings page, you can manage your store settings. Change the cover photo for your store, give it a name, and fill up the social profiles. Specify your payment method details for withdraw, set phone and address, as well as the map location of your store. Here's your store page. Every seller's got their own store page. Users can see your store details with all your products and can contact you via the contact form. So it was a quick overview of the front-end seller dashboard of Dokan. We are very excited with this app theme and hope it will make your life easier. Thank you.